Discover Carmen's range of beauty and personal care products designed to bring salon-quality treatments to your home. The Carmen Escentual Hairdryer offers powerful drying for sleek, frizz-free hair. Maintain smooth skin with the Facial Epilator and Brush Set, providing gentle hair removal and deep cleansing. For those on the go, the Ionic Travel Hairdryer ensures perfect styling anywhere. Embrace the Carmen Ebony Hot Comb to effortlessly straighten natural hair. Rejuvenate your complexion with the Deluxe Facial Sauna, offering spa-like treatments at home. Style your hair with the versatile Wet End Dry Straightener in chic pink or the Ebony Rechargeable Hair Straightener for cordless convenience. Complete your routine with the Carmen Nail Care Kit, ensuring perfectly manicured nails every time.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.